I think actually in any retrospect that I was definitely most like my mum, and that's even from the stories that have come out since. But I remember I got asked in one of my first years playing for Dublin, like, where do you get your sporting ability? And I said, oh look, there's none really in my family. I'm an deadly. I'm just by myself. I just grew it out of nowhere. And then my auntie rings me the next day saying, "What are you saying?" So your mum was the captain of the running team, and she set all these records, and like was big into it. Yeah. So one of the best athletes in her school. So I had no idea that.
When faced with adversity is really when you see the clutch players and you see players stepping up, right? And that was a massive moment in Michael Darragh's life. Very difficult moment in his life, where he'd lost his parents and his father, who was the connection with the GA. And for him to then, again, drive on in his performance, he used that as his outlet to help him to deal with the circumstances. But I do think he used it as a catalyst to drive on. And sure, we all know what happened next in 2013.